few days could practice with the brush from rosalique. I did not end up looking at YouTube to find out how I should use such a brush, but I realized already after me putting the video on YouTube that with my fingers I went all kinds of directions, and that with the brush I did not really dare, and I used the movements I use for cleaning my skin like that. So it was not a fair comparison, and now I'm going to show you. But I happen to have this since about yesterday. It has been a long time ago since I had something like that. I did not change my eating habits or something like that, so it's quite accidental, because I must say I do not believe that using the rosalique brush for 2 days could cause something like this. So it's kind of accidental, but it gives me the opportunity, since every cloud has a silver lining, to show you how rosalique deals with something temporarily like this one. So I'm going to tape it, silently again of course, and I'm going to use my fingers for this side of my face and the brush for this side of my face, with the help of a mirror there. There was a little time between the first take and then showing the rubbing with the brush, because suddenly the batteries died out, so I had to take a little pause in between. As you can see, I was a little bit distracted by looking into the lens and the mirror, so I probably had the brush upside down a few times. But anyway, if you use it the normal way, I find that it spreads more evenly than with the fingers, and it does not use extra of the product. So I'm quite happy with the way the brush works. The camouflage did not work that well, but on the other hand, rosalique is not meant for that. I just hope that because of the green it would do something, but anyway, as you can see, it's nicely covered. I will get back to you on how my skin responds to the brushing. And if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!